Hello, my dear friend. Tony Adigbenro here. God bless you. Now, I've been working with kids, children, teenagers, moms, dad, parents, coaching them, counseling, advising for 30 years now, over 30 years. And in that period, I've seen so many things, so many effects on family lives, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, financially, in every way. And from all my research, it's made me to come to a point where I feel, okay, I want to do a bit more. I want to put something in place that will be a legacy that will help many more families as much as possible. And I was asking in my search, I was doing some questions to some parents I know, and some of the questions they were asking really moved me to feel I've got to put this together in a book, in a program format, to be able to bless many people. Some are saying, I don't know how to teach my children to be financially dependent. Some parents were saying, I don't know if you have ever said any of these statements. Just listen for a minute and see if you have ever said any of these statements. If any one of them resonates with you and you think, wow, that sounds like me, I'd like to know more about this, then there's a material that's available for you. It's a free download. It will be at the bottom of this video. You can get the link and get a free download to something that will really help you or somebody you know. Some of what the parents were saying is that I don't even know where to find anything on leadership, okay, or business training for my children. I don't want my children to struggle the way I did for many years. Wow. I heard some parents saying that. And some are saying, I don't even know where to find the time. Time, yeah. The time to set aside to raise my child as a rich kid, as a rich child. Some are saying, I don't know how to teach my child to discover their life purpose. Now, there are many things they've been saying, and the answer to all of these questions is in this book titled, How to Raise a Rich Kid. The holistic, spirit, soul, and body, all-rounded rich kid. One that is rich, FEMS, financially, emotionally, mentally, spiritually. When I say financially, many parents are not financially rich or stable. Many are still struggling through the stress of business or employment. And unless they stop and do something deliberately now, the children will enter into the same routine. It's a normal thing, even when they've gone to university and all that stuff. But there's a way in which, even in this day and age, unless you're doing something online and really going in that progression, because that is where the world is going now. Now, the book, How to Raise a Rich Kid or Teenager, is here for you. The download will be on the bottom of this video. Click the link. It's a free download. Have a read. By the time you've gone to a few pages, you'll be thinking, wow, I need to talk to this guy called Coach Tony Adigbenro. I'm waiting for you. Let's have a chat. We've worked with kids for over 30 years. Over 30 years. In different settings. In schools. I've been to schools, primary schools, high school. We've worked with them in the church, in the community, in a club, now online by Zoom, and we're reaching children in many nations of the world. Our program is reaching children in many cities of UK, many states in America, in the US of A, in Nigeria, in Africa, in India, in Germany. It's going everywhere. You can tap into that knowledge, that value, that blessing that is there waiting for you. Click the link on this video, please. Download the free book, and we'll talk further from there. I'm sure you definitely want to see your child raised as a rich kid. Rich financially, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. All rounded. I'll be waiting for you. I know you click the link and download the book. There's a number there, there's a contact there. Let's have a chat very quickly. God bless you, my friend. Bye now.